Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom text field to your Shopify product page. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started logging into your account. So log into your account, after which we can now access all the options we have for editing our store. As you can see right here, the left side screen, we have the home section, orders, products, and so on. And we have the online store section. This is what we're going to be using, guys. You want to open up the online store, and this is going to open up your team section where we can get started with accessing and managing our teams. And guys, here is a page on communityshopify.com, the official community website where somebody told us how to edit our product page and get customization information for products and add text to it. So basically guys, as you can see, this is going to be the whole tutorial that you need, that you can find using Google. So just search for this thread right here and open it up, and here we have all the steps. Basically guys, you're going to go ahead and get started with editing your code. You're going to go into online store as I have just showed you, go into teams and then into the edit code section. So you can open up edit code by clicking the three dots right here and clicking edit code. This is going to open up this new page where you can find all the code options you have, all the template sections and so on. And this is where you want to get started with changing your customizable products. Here is how to get started with using the code. So go ahead and follow the steps right here that you can use for adding code to your Shopify store. And this is how you can get started with creating custom form fields that people will be able to enter text into when buying on your store. But yeah guys, all that you need is right here on this page. I show you how to get started. Go ahead and follow it for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.